going to show you some 4 easy DIY school supplies. These are all BTS related, so sorry about being biased or anything, but I just wanted my school supplies to be BTS, but you can change it whoever you like, whatever group you like. And these school supplies are mostly watered down. They're more simple and easy to make, and they're mostly aesthetic kind of feel. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get on with the video. Alright, starting with the first DIY, you're going to need these supplies, and I'll put them all in the description box. So first you're going to need some pictures. I just printed out this mood board from Tumblr. You can find so many mood boards that you like on there. And I'm just going to go ahead and rearrange them into place before pasting them on with some Mod Podge. So I went ahead and did that onto the pictures to the notebook. And that's basically it for the notebook. There's nothing really much to it. You just have to print them out and paste them on there. And I just decided to put some gold washi tape as well, just to give it a little bit more of a color, and it fit with the aesthetic of the notebook too. So I went ahead and did that. You could also put some clear packaging tape on top just to wrap up the notebook so nothing can spill on it, and that's basically it. For the next DIY notebook, I decided to do an Instagram theme. I will put these pictures in the description box if you'd like to have them. And I just went ahead and just used some Mod Podge and glued them on there. Next, I just got some rose gold washi tape that fit well with the pictures and just put that onto the binding of the notebook to just give it a more aesthetic feel. You can go ahead and leave it like it is, or you can go ahead and take a white pen and draw little doodles on it. I drew little hearts and just like little leaves and just little dots everywhere to just give it a more personalized touch to the notebook. And that's it for the notebook. It turned out super cute and it's one of my favorite ones. For the next notebook, I decided to do my own art style to it, as in like a marble effect. So first thing you're going to do is get a white piece of cardstock and go ahead and draw little lines all across the cardstock. It does take a bit of practice to do. You will need a couple of colors, like a very strong black, a gray, and a white, and just go ahead and just make some little squiggly lines connecting to each one. And yeah, just go ahead and do that and it will look something like this. I try to do the marble effect, but it does take practice like I said, and I mean it turned out pretty good at the end. And I just went ahead and just deepened in the lines a little bit more with some black, and then I went ahead and grabbed some gray and just put in kind of like a shadowy effect with the black. And yeah, and this is how it should look like. And once you're done, you can go ahead and glue it onto your notebook. And I went ahead and got this little stencil of the BTS logo, and I went ahead and got my X-Acto knife and just cut out the shape. And once you have those cut out, I went ahead and glued them onto the notebook with some Mod Podge, and basically you're done. And I think it turned out pretty good. For this BTS pencil pouch, I decided to go with a black and white theme. So the first thing I did was grab my zipper. I'll leave the measurements to my zipper down below. And the first thing I'm going to do is cut the white fabric into a rectangle shape like I am doing right here. And make sure it's wide enough and big enough for it to fold over so it can be a pencil pouch. And I went ahead and put in my zipper to see if it has the right measurements for it to fit my pens and everything. And then I went ahead and got some black fabric, and this will be the inside of my pouch. And I went ahead and just cut along the white fabric so the measurements will be the correct size. I then went ahead and got my hot glue gun and glued both of the fabrics together. I then went ahead and got my white zipper and just glued on the edges and then flipped over the inside with some black fabric. So then when you flip it inside out, it will become the white fabric in front, so then you can zip it from the outside. It's a little hard to explain, but you can go ahead and just see what I'm doing right here. I then went ahead and got my BTS stencil that I pre-cut before in my last notebook, and I went ahead and got some black fabric paint and just went ahead and started dabbing it on there. And once you're finished painting, you are basically done with this DIY. You're just gonna let it dry and you can go ahead and put your pens and pencils into it. It was very easy to do and it's very personalized, so you can make as many pouches as you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it one of these. And also comment down below which one was your favorite one. And if you liked any of these DIY school supplies, make sure to subscribe down below. And also hit the notification button so you can know when I will post. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!